Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this beautiful 1972 C10 Short Bed. It finished in yellow with the white stripe down the middle. Paint is absolutely in excellent condition. This vehicle's been completely restored, completely taken apart, frame off, and put back together with some new modern features, which we'll get into. But we'll look at the paint first when we get into the car. But before we get into the car, I just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We're located on 301 just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. As you see, several C2 Corvettes here. We have a couple C1s, 1961, two 1961s. One is all original, another one's RestoMod. About 80% of the inventory is American classic cars, and about 15 to 20%, as you see in front of me, are either European and or down in the corner there you'll see a McLaren. So we got a Jaguar here, Series 2 E-Type, and then down there a McLaren. But again, several different vehicles in inventory. Please visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota to see the 100 vehicles that we have in inventory at any given time. We have additional vehicles over in the other bay as well, several other trucks and European vehicles as well. But just wanted to give you a quick look around the warehouse here. But we want to concentrate on this 72 C10 that is just a outstanding restoration. We'll go through the paint first and then get into the particulars. I'm not going to go through every feature of the vehicle. You can see that on the website, but we'll highlight a few things as we go through. As you can see, it does have disc brakes up front here. It does have the Corvette wheels, ceramic brakes as well. The paint is in excellent condition. In the back, you can see it does have drum brakes in the back. The front and rear bumpers are new. It does have a new wood bed, which is a great feature. Originally they came with steel beds, but the wood bed looks much nicer. Again, just a excellent restoration here. It has been lowered 3 inches. If you're looking at the vehicle and says that looks like it's a little low, you're absolutely right, as it is lowered 3 inches. Again, if I'm going too fast and you're not able to look at the paint, please look at the website. We do have 50 to 75 pictures of the vehicle on the website. It is outside, so you'll be able to see it in much better light. This vehicle does come with a 1980 350. You can see the power brakes there. It does have air conditioning. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me turn the lights on the lift. They're underneath, but it shines up a little bit. Gives some light there. So it does have AC. As I mentioned, the power brakes. Difficult to see here, but it is fuel injected. Kind of difficult to see, but trust me, it is fuel injected. It is a very nice feature for newer vehicles to get in and start it and just run and not have to worry about, you know, the carburetor. The interior has the original seat. However, the cushions have been redone. As you can see, the black leather. Again, bench seat, very nice. Vehicle does have a new radio in it as well. It is a digital radio. We will go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. As you can hear it, it starts right up. This is a recent restoration. The odometer's got 31,378 on it. Let you listen to the engine. Again, sounds as it should. There's no knocking, no ticking. Just hums as it should. The exhaust also sounds fantastic. We'll take the back and let you hear the exhaust. As I mentioned earlier, it does have a 350 in it, a fuel injected, but it is married to an automatic transmission, which is very good as well. You hear the exhaust. Sorry for that there. Listen to it. The radio, as you can hear, is starting to pick up signal. We're inside, so can't really hear too much, but it does work. It's got the digital. Just an excellent sounding vehicle. We'll go ahead and shut it off as we're inside. And we'll go ahead and raise it up so you can see the underside of it. So apologize for the lift noise here and the video, but as we lift this up, I just want to let you know here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we are a full service dealership. So if you have finance needs and you're looking to finance this vehicle or any of the other 90 to 100 vehicles we have in inventory, please give us a call at 941-355-1955, and we can help you with your financing, or visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. There is a finance tab on there. You can go ahead and fill out an application. We'll get it to one of the several lenders that we use, and you can get your financing. A lot of our financing partners do finance classic cars, so we are able to finance 84 to 120 months, depending on your needs and desires on that. Give us a call or visit the website. Additionally, Kayla, who works in our front office, our office manager, she has been shipping cars for over 9.5 years, just almost 10 years now. Can ship this vehicle anywhere in the US or anywhere in the world. Door-to-door, worldwide shipping services. So far we've shipped to, I think, 18 different states this year, along with Budapest, Hungary, the Netherlands, Asia, also to Australia. So can certainly ship this vehicle anywhere where you have need. Please just give us a call. Ask for Kayla in our front office at 941-355-1955. We'll go underneath and quickly show you the bottom. As I mentioned, it does have front disc brakes. You'll see ceramic brakes as well. It does have new springs. When they lowered it 3 inches, they put new springs on it. You can see fairly new exhaust pipes. Underside looks very good. It does have new shocks, new springs. As I mentioned, it does have drum brakes in the back. Very clean. As you can see, it still has the tags on the bumpers, the license plate bracket from the recent restoration, and you can see the bottom of the wood bed is in great condition as well. Just a fantastic 1972 C10. Great example of a classic pickup style. Very popular. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Appreciate you tuning in today. Thank you very much.